Today I will talk about on the topic climate in the section of geography. We as a layman often confuse between climate and weather and use these words synonymously. However, these have different meanings. Weather is the state of atmosphere recorded at any given point of time. It can change every moment and varies throughout the day. Whereas the climate of a place is the sum of average weather conditions of 30 years in short. The climate is a sum total of the weather conditions of a place, assertively a large one for comparatively longer period of time. It can take millions of years for the climate of a place to change. After that, I would like to talk about elements of climate as weather, which are first one temperature, second one atmospheric pressure, third one wind, fourth one humidity, and last one precipitation. According to monthly atmospheric conditions of a place, a year is divided into three seasons, namely summer, winter, and rainy. The climate conditions of any place depend on following common factors: latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, pressure and wind systems, ocean currents, relief features. In particular to country like India, the factors that are considered to affect the climatic conditions are latitude, altitude, pressure and winds, which means it is influenced by pressure and surface winds, upper air circulation, western cyclonic disturbances and tropical cyclones. After that, I would like to talk about Indian climates. The Indian climate of India is described as the monsoon type of climate which is most prevalent in South and Southeast Asia. This is because the climate of India is influenced by the monsoon winds, which is basically a seasonal reversal in the wind throughout the year. Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India, from Rann of Kutch up to Mizoram. When the sun is directly overhead on the Tropic of Cancer, which is June 3rd, 21, it marks the beginning of summer in the northern hemisphere. Temperature and precipitation are the elements which are taken into consideration to ascertain the varying climate condition from place to place and season to season. The Himalayas prevent the cold katabatic winds from entering the Indian subcontinent. Jet streams are fast flowing and narrow air currents which flow at a high altitude of about 12,000 feet in the troposphere. Coriolis force is an apparent force caused by the Earth's rotation. Due to this force, the winds are deflected towards the right in the northern hemisphere and towards the left in the southern hemisphere. This mechanism is known as Farrell's law. The western cyclonic disturbances or weather phenomena of the winter months brought into by the westerly flow from the Mediterranean region, which influences the weather of the north and northwestern region of India. Last point, a broad through of low pressure is equatorial latitude is known as intertropical convergence zone, in short ITCZ, where the northeast and southeast trade winds coverage. The east to west region in the northern plains experiences decrease in rainfall. Ocean currents influence the climate of coastal regions. Indian climatic region also experiences the concept of continentally, which means that the people residing far away from the sea experiences extreme weather conditions. After that, I would like to talk about the temperature and precipitation affects the climate of India. After that, I would like to talk about temperature first one. Some parts of Rajasthan experiences temperature as high as 50 degrees in summer. This is the reason why houses in Rajasthan Have houses with thick walls and flat roofs because thick walls do not allow heat to get into the house, and flat roofs retains the little water Rajasthan deserts receive as rainfall, as compared to such a high temperature in Rajasthan places like Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir experiences a temperature of 20 degrees at the same time of the year, thereby explaining how climatic conditions varies from one place to another. Second one, the temperature varies not only from place to place, but it also varies during different hours of the day at the same place. For example, Thar Desert experience a temperature as high as 50 degrees during the day, but this is the same place which experiences a temperature as low as 15 degrees the night of the same day. After that, I would like to talk about precipitation. First one, while precipitation takes the general form of the rain, snow, sleet, hail, India mostly experiences it in the form of rain, while in upper part of Himalayas it is in the form of snow. Most part of the country receives rainfall during the month of the June to September, whereas some parts like Tamil Nadu receives its share of rainfall during October and November. After that, I would like to talk about Indian monsoon. First one, influenced by monsoon winds, the monsoon mechanism is based on differential heating and cooling of the land and water, which creates low pressure on the land while the sea around experiences a high pressure. Second one, Indian monsoons are also affected by the shift in the position of winter tropical convergence zone in summer over the Ganga plain. Third one, the high pressure of East Madagascar over Indian Ocean also affect the monsoons. And last one, Mayasaram receives the highest rainfall. After that, I would like to talk about withdrawal of the monsoon. The one set of Indian monsoon is recorded approximately around the first week of June at the southern tip of the Indian peninsula. The withdrawal of monsoon begins from early September, starting from the northern part of India, and gradually it is completely withdrawn by the month of December. After that, I would like to talk about seasons. There are some types of seasons. There are only four types of seasons are. First one, cold weather season. It begins from mid-November to February. Northeast trade winds blow from land to sea during this period, making it is a dry season where days are warm and nights are cold. Second one, hot weather season. During this season, which begins from March to May, the temperature increases from south to north, with the temperature remaining lower in peninsular India. It experiences hot dry winds, low in the May along with rising temperature, with falling air pressure in the northern part, while Kerala and Karnataka receives pre-monsoon shower. West Bengal and Assam are affected by northwesterly winds. Next one, advancing monsoon season. It begins from June to September, and during this season, northwestern region of the country receives the maximum rainfall. Last one, retreating monsoon season is also known as the withdrawing monsoon. For that, students are advised to do NCERT questions and one more long question on the topic. Thank you.